So in this video, we're going to look at different ways of putting foods into the meal calculator. So these are the different ways. On the left, we start with my virtual fridge. All this does is it keeps track of the last 30 most recent foods that you've used in KetoSuite. Now, this is often how we cook and make food in our normal diets and in our fridge and our pantry. And so this keeps track of recent foods that you've used, and it just lists them here. Now you'll see that foods are displayed with their name, and they're also displayed with these color blocks. And this is for those of us who aren't clinical, and it shows the fat, protein, carbohydrate content of that food or that manufactured or that processed food. The blue is fat, the red is protein, and the brown is carbohydrate. And it shows how much and what proportion each of those make up the food. So we can simply click on these foods like they're buttons, and they will be put directly into the meal that we're currently assembling. The next way we can enter foods into a meal is we can search the entire food database for your country food database, just by clicking here. And so we look for yogurt, and as we type, it's going to display all the products from the food database in your country that fit that search term. And then again, these are just buttons that you can click on to put them into your meal. They have the color bars as well that show the fat, protein, and carbohydrate that's in them. The next way is we have these drop-down boxes that actually have the entire list of what fat foods from the food database, so foods that are higher in fat than anything else, entire list of foods that are higher in protein than anything else, and a complete list of foods that are higher in carbohydrate than anything else. And then the last way that we can enter foods into a meal is from My Saved Meals. Now this doesn't save balanced meals, but it does just save a list of ingredients from a previous meal that you've saved and named. So if I were to click on this one, it would put just that list of ingredients that have been saved into the meal and balance them to the prescription that's been entered. And those are the different ways that you can put foods into a meal.